Hello Halloween hotties! So it's been a long time since I made any sort of Halloween video, and honestly, in honor of everyone who's been following me since some of my first Halloween videos 6 years ago, I wanted to do a revamped version of one of my oldest videos, my cat girl Halloween makeup tutorial from my Monster Girl series. Since I was like an edgy brown cat all those years ago, I thought what would represent my style the most to this day, and I thought that I would do a soft looking white cat instead. So to start off, I am taking this white eyeliner from NYX and I'm just going to be painting the hairs of my eyebrows really gently. I know that this isn't like the best way to get like completely white, flawless looking eyebrows, but honestly, I have front bangs in this wig anyway, and I feel like I'm like a really low effort person for Halloween, and so I felt like for the amount of time that I spent doing this, I feel like the payoff was pretty decent. I already started off with my foundation today. I'm just wearing a tinted moisturizer from Colourpop, and to add on top of that, I'm using my favorite blush in the entire world. This is the blush stick from Cosmetics in the color Baby, and I'm just dabbing this over my cheeks and also on the center of my nose to give it that sort of cat-like effect. And I'm blending this out with a beauty blender. This is seriously the creamiest and most blendable blush in existence. If you haven't tried it yet, I feel like this is probably my top favorite product of this entire year, and I really recommend it. It's so good. Then for the eyes, I'm using a bit of tape on the corner of my eyes to sort of help guide me to really get a sharp cat eye effect. I'm taking a soft brown color from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just patting this all over my entire eyelid. I love this little hack of just using tape to get that really crisp edge. It just takes out like all of the stress and all of the work in making a sharp cat eye. Then taking a darker brown color, I'm adding this to the outer corner of my eyes and I'm flicking it upwards for even more definition. And I'm adding quite a lot of color because when you're using white eyeliner and also white mascara, you really lose all of the definition of your eyes, and so you can end up looking like kind of funny looking, and so you definitely want to lay a really solid base of a lot of dark color on your eyes beforehand. Now I'm using that same white eyeliner from NYX and I'm doing a sharp cat eye, and several things happened at this point. I really wish that I took off the tape at this point because it was kind of just in the way and it kind of hindered where I needed to actually put the eyeliner, and so if you're going to be doing this makeup look, take off the tape at this point. And also another thing is that because this eyeliner from NYX is so viscous, it's honestly like using cement to paint on your winged eyeliner, so it was pretty miserable. I absolutely do not recommend this particular eyeliner to do any sort of eyeliner. Then honestly, this is where the magic happens. I'm curling my eyelashes and I'm applying a super strong mascara base, and then once that's dried, I'm taking the same white eyeliner and I'm starting to paint over all of my eyelashes. And again, like I mentioned, because this product is like cement, this product actually ends up being so waterproof, so smear resistant. It's actually even more long lasting than any mascara that I've ever tried, and it's just an eyeliner. Then I bought these random cheapo white falsies and I'm just adding this to the outer corner of my eyes to flick it out more and to make it look even more cat-like. For my lips, I honestly just use one lip product in this entire world. It's been 2 years now. This is the True Gloss in the shade Lotus Blossom from Cosmetics. I'm adding this on the center of my lips and blending this out, and then taking my finger, I'm actually lightly dabbing this on my Cupid's bow and smearing it a little bit outside of the line on my lower lip just to give it that sort of poutier look, and I feel like this looked a little bit more cat-like as well. Then I'm dabbing some gloss on top, and this is actually a lip mask, but it actually works as one of my favorite lip glosses in the entire world. You can tell how super glossy it is. Now the worst part of any Halloween video, putting on some teeth. I got these vampire teeth online. These are my favorite ones, and I am adding them as if they're little cat fangs, and yeah, it's pretty miserable. It's definitely a process. And after my teeth are finally cemented and glued on in place, I popped in some light colored contacts, my wig, and also my cat ears, and that's it for this video. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I actually had to refilm this twice, so this is my second time doing this. It was definitely a labor of love, but this again is, you know, kind of like a shout out for everyone who's been here for all of this time, because I haven't made a Halloween video in so long. Thank you guys honestly so much for just sticking around around for all of this time. I'm so honored and so grateful to still be creating content after all of these years, and thank you for just watching me grow up on camera. It's been 6 years, and honestly, I'm just feeling a little bit sentimental right now. So I hope you guys have an amazing Halloween. I hope everyone stays safe, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again next week.